this here.
I'm talking to. Oh wait, just kidding. We're gonna play Cards with Panda. So we are back. We are just going to continue our yesterday's game. Actually, I lost yesterday. Frozen tongue. Sorry. Holy shifted. I know. Well, what is Jumbo Josh? First, you're in here. Yeah, I'm not scared of that bird. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, back off. Yeah, be scared, little bro. So finally, guys, we got the egg. And we're gonna feed it to this Opila bird. Okay, we got it. Okay, got this Opila bird. Ball pit close. More like my balls. Oh, that's corny as hell. Okay, we got that. That was good. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna read that anymore. Okay. Oh, now. Oh, hell no. What's this? I found a paleo. Ooh, creepy. You are one weird one. No. Yeah, I died from that. Now I learned from my mistakes. Okay, good bird. Frick, 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 frick. Oh, frick, 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 frick. Okay. I'm gonna hit the button. I'm gonna hit the button. Oh! Oh no! You stop? Okay, he stopped. Okay. W in the chat. W in the chat. Please survive. Please survive. Oh my days. Ooh, like, what the frick? Oh! No! Where you are, you stinky robot? Gonna stall him. Okay, I'm winning this. I have this. I'm good job at this. Please. Ah, yes. Screw you. That's good. Finally, I survived this game. That's good. We're good. Open the orange door. Do I have a key? How am I gonna see what's the stuff I had? Orange door. I can't crouch. I can't peek. Let's see. Okay. What's this? Uthman Adam. Montreal, MTL, Madrid, P13. Was that any of significance in this game? Was it really that significant? I am not sure. Okay, I found it, guys. Damn. These boxes means no significance. Open the orange door. Yeah. Oh, hello? Hello? What just happened? It vanished. Why are you shaking? Holy cow. The details are so insane. It's like I'm almost playing. Is there any other options? Tells me like it's bleeding something. Maybe there must be some sort of like trick shots here. Yeah, you're coming with me. Freaking yeah, you're coming with me. Okay, we're going down. Ooh, wow. Hello, hello. My drone, please come here. Oh, please, please. No, no. What the frick am I supposed to do? What the frick am I supposed to do? What the frick am I supposed to do? That is so freaking unfair. That is so unfair, dude. Oh my days. Did I die again? Thanks for playing, Dino. I like your favorite game. Oh, I guess this is the end of the game. This is all, guys. It was nice playing with you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, or else Ban will touch your toes or something. See ya.